Welcome to another episode of our series on Reliability-Centered Maintenance, or RCM. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll be exploring who the top thought leaders in the world of RCM are and how their insights and expertise have shaped the industry. We'll delve into how they've integrated RCM with key international standards organization, or ISO standards, and how they have made it more specific to industrial businesses. Stick around to discover how these professionals are leveraging statistical analyses for better, data-driven decision-making. Let's dive right into our journey through the world of RCM. You might be wondering, what's the big deal with thought leadership? Well, according to Business News Daily, a thought leader or influencer is someone whose expertise and perspective is valuable enough to offer guidance to those around them. And in the realm of RCM, there are several standout individuals who have significantly contributed to its evolution. These professionals have not only enhanced RCM, but have also integrated it with key international standards organization, or ISO, standards, and have found ways to apply RCM more specifically to industrial businesses. Some have even expanded areas, such as statistical analyses, to foster a more data-driven decision-making process. Let's meet these top thought leaders in RCM today. First up, we have Marius Basson, the president of Aladon and the Aladon Network. With more than 25 years of experience in leading and implementing business improvement and reliability initiatives, Basson has developed RCM3, a risk-based RCM process. This process elevates the need to manage a company's physical assets to the same level as other business management priorities. RCM3, which builds on the popular RCMII methodology that began in the late 90s, helps companies align with relevant ISO standards and results in a more integrated and holistic way to care for assets and reduce risk regarding physical equipment. Next, we have Doug Plucknette, the founder of RCM Blitz and author of the book Reliability-Centered Maintenance Using RCM Blitz. Plucknette's RCM Blitz is a step-by-step methodology that takes businesses through a 5-step program to better apply RCM principles. The program starts with laying a solid foundation, moves on to looking at probability and consequences, discusses functions and functional failures, identifies failure modes and effects while developing solutions, and finally, establishes and moves forward with follow-up tasks to continue improving reliability throughout an organization over the long haul. Then we have the dynamic duo, Jesus Sifonte and James Reyes Picknell. Sifonte is the co-founder and CEO of Conscious Reliability, while Picknell is the principal consultant and co-founder of Conscious Asset. Together, they have come up with an optimized process for establishing RCM for the industry. Their focus is on the science of failures and the solutions that can enable long-term, sustainable, reliable operations. They have modified the original RCM program, which was developed for the flight industry, to be more applicable to industrial companies. They also tie the RCM program to relevant industrial ISO standards and emphasize statistical analysis to encourage data-driven decisions. Last but not least, we have Nancy Regan, the founder and president of The Force Inc. With over 20 years of hands-on practice facilitating RCM analyses, conducting RCM training, and assisting her clients in implementing RCM programs, Regan believes that the RCM process is critical to improving a company's asset management program. Her course walks participants through the RCM process, which includes 7 steps. These steps help companies define functions, functional failures, and failure modes and effects, understand failure consequences, and discuss proactive maintenance and intervals, as well as default strategies. In conclusion, since RCM was first created by Nolan and Heap to create minimum levels required for safety-related maintenance in the aviation industry, it has been a useful tool for those in the maintenance profession to improve productivity, reduce downtime, and boost compliance. Over the last several decades, top thought leaders in the industry have modified and improved the concept of RCM to make it more broadly applicable to manufacturers and industrial businesses. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the top thought leaders in RCM, their contributions to the industry, and how they've integrated RCM with key ISO standards. Remember, these professionals are leveraging statistical analyses for better, data-driven decision-making. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, Visit us at upkeep.com.